The Chevy Trailblazer. Blazing a trail of never-ending repairs. That one's for you, Daninator. What's going on, guys? Three Wheels on the Block back again. We are in the new location. Finally filming in the new location. It has been a while. I had to get some stuff out of the way. For those of you who don't know, the 64 C10 is gone. Anyway, back to the dad wagon. Got my boy Josh here with me, and we're going to finally get this hatch issue resolved. This is the third video on this, and just so you guys can see, it is rusty, and there's a big rust hole right there, so that's why we're taking that off and replacing it with this one that you guys saw I picked up from Pull Apart. So alright, so I lost the footage of us swapping the hatch. We pulled the hatch off. Josh is holding the hatch. I'm sure it's getting heavy. We're going to put the struts back on this thing. This is the old hatch, just so you guys know. That's the rust hole. The new hatch does not have a rust hole. Alright, I'm going to make him quit holding that thing. Look at it. Look at it. It fits. Hallelujah. Oh, I don't believe it. It fits. It looks awesome. I'm definitely going to have to fix that because somebody grabbed a hold of this and picked up on it.
That was already loose before I did it.
Yeah.
It was loose before I did it.
It was loose before he broke it.
I didn't break it.
That's what he says. It was loose before I broke it.
You have no proof. No video footage of me breaking it.
Only because the camera fell off the stand. Twice. And we lost the rest of the video footage, so. Alright. So, the new hatch is on, and it operates. Oh, there's a little clunk in there. I don't know what that was about. Huh. Let's try that one more time. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe I better check and make sure my bolts are tied up here or something, because that did sound a little. I don't know what's clicking, unless it's the plastic. Maybe it's this thing. It is. Look at that. It's like all awkward. Yep, it popped up off of that thing for some reason. Huh. Never ends. Yep. Never ends. Looks like we popped up off of that little plastic mount right there somehow. Some way. I don't even know how that's possible. No, it's not lining up. Alright, let's see here. I'm done messing with this thing. Yeah. The hatch opens and closes like it should. Somehow or another, this plastic trim piece is loose, so it's catching up against the body. He just did a glorious job.
Actually, wait, oh, the whole sticker came off. There was an old one. Someone didn't take off the old one correctly.
This is the full one. I don't know, bro. I'll let you guys judge that. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. It's been fun. It looks like there's going to be part 4 of this. I really, really wanted to be done with this hatch, but it does now have a hatch that fits. It doesn't have a rust hole in it, so we'll work out the issue with the thing up top another time. Because we just don't know when to stop. Josh I was like, why don't you try to lift that window glass?
It works.
So we got the window glass up, and there's a little peg in here, which, go ahead and lift up the window glass again. Which the window glass works on this hatch, it didn't work on the other one. Alright, let's see, really crappy lighting, but if you look right there, this peg is what holds that little corner in place. So we were able to pop that back in there, a little bit of twisting and pushing, and it's holding on, so problem solved, we think. So,
For now.
Josh, go ahead and open up that hatch. And we'll see if that clears it. Oh, look at that. Still has a little teeny tiny rub up here on the body. So, but other than that, we're good. So, looks like I need to get some more struts for the window glass, but other than that, yeah, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up as the hatch is done. And we'll take care of the paint up here at the top and the rest of the paint correction on this side of the vehicle all in one video. So we're claiming victory on the hatch. My man. Oh yeah. We'll see you guys next time. Appreciate you tuning in. Be sure to check out our other videos. There'll be more coming in the future. Smash that like button for me. Drop me a comment below. And we'll see you next time.